All right, you guys, going right into this video. I'm going to be working with a 360 lace wig. This wig is 22 inches in a body wave texture, and it is 180% density, so it's a really full wig. Very nice, very soft so far. This wig is from PremiumLaceWigs.com. I'll leave their information below. So just to give you an idea what the wig looks like, I decided to add just some highlights throughout the hair. Nothing special, just some bleach and some 40 volume developer just throughout to give the hair some dimension, because my client likes color, so I figured I'll just throw some color in here for her vacation. Now for this installation, I'm doing just a standard straight back braid pattern. I'm not going to really go into detail. You can see I like to have an anchor braid at the bottom so that I can sew the wig down if the clients want the wig sewn down. Now moving along to this ball cap method, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys in detail how I do a ball cap method. Now, because my client is on the fair side, I just use a really light cap. This one blends in with their skin like perfectly. Like, I don't even have to use makeup. This is just a regular cap from the beauty supply store. So I put the cap on. Make sure you have your client remove the earrings because it can get snagged sometimes. Now, there are many ways that you can do this. Personally, I like to use the freeze spray because it dries quicker. Some people like to use the gel. You know, there's so many ways you can do this, but I'm showing you guys my method. It's quick because the freeze spray doesn't take forever to dry. Taking a needle and thread and just sewing down that cap in the back just near the nape area. I'm not going past the ear really. I just want to make sure that the cap is secured so that when I cut away the excess, it still will remain on her head. Now let's get into this method here. Now I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. I learned this method here on YouTube, especially cutting out the ear. Oh my god, it just helps everything lay flat, especially right in front of that ear. That's mainly where your lace is going to lift the quickest, I should say. And I actually got this from Glamazon Tay, so shout out to Tay. She is the only person that I seen do this first. Like, I don't know where it originated from, but she is who I saw do it, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm doing my ball cap methods this way from here on out. So when you're cutting the ear out, just cut little by little, because when you cut that cap, it will expand. So you don't need to really just go in and start cutting. Just snip a little bit and kind of pull it over so that the ear is exposed. That way you don't cut too much of the cap, because once you cut too much of the cap, that's done for. So for me, I like to tie mine down and then I just let it sit for a little bit. I don't got time to be sitting. I don't have time for my clients sitting in the dry because I'll be trying to get them in and out, like, you know, but to each their own. So here's the wig. Like I said, it's a 360 lace wig. It has combs inside. I did, you know, shampoo, condition, let the wig air dry, and this is what the color looks like. The blend was just really good. I did bleach the knots. I plucked the hairline, you know, all of that good stuff on your wigs. This wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck a little bit more. Now I'm just trying to see how this wig is laying, how it's sitting. And before I go ahead and glue it down, I just need to make sure that it's positioned correctly. Now after it's positioned, I'm going to go in and start cutting the lace. I have a detailed tutorial on how I cut the lace. I do it for myself. I do it on my clients. It's pretty much all the same thing. So if you want to see that, I will link it below, and I will also have it somewhere in the video so that you guys can click to it and check that out. So now it's time to adhere this wig down. I'm going to be using Bold Hold by the hair diagram, and I'm just going to follow the hairline. Now I do like to dot out where the lace is going to be sitting, so that's what those white dots are there for. And I'm just using a popsicle stick. to blend that out using 3 coats. 3 coats, you guys, is going to get you good. The key to a nice, secure application, you do your coats. In between each coat, you need to make sure that the glue is completely dried. And to know if it's dry or not, it's going to look clear. And once it's clear, you go ahead and press in that lace. Try not to use your fingers too much because you have oils and your fingers, you know, could cause it to turn white. So try to use something that is not oily and whatnot. So I use a comb, and then I go back in and use a blow dry just to kind of melt that lace a little bit. I know some people like to put their clients under the dryer. It just kind of depends on how my day is going, but for the most part, I go in and just blow dry to make sure everything's nice and secure and flat and melted and you name it. Okay. Go ahead and customize the hairline how you would like. My client like a little bit of baby hairs, not a lot, but you know, it's up to you, up to your clients. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave everything in the description box. Be sure to check out that. Make sure you check out my Instagram at Classy Crowns, as well as my Instagram as Miss Jazz Too Classy. I got this business going. I want y'all to check it out. I'm going to be launching my website soon, where I'm going to be launching my wig line, and just get with me, y'all. So yeah, I'm coming with the videos. Give me a thumbs up because I've been coming with the videos. Okay. All right. Talk to you later.